Hello and welcome to Everything Dance. I'm your mentor, Dancing Dawn. This is your go-to site for all dance subjects and styles and all other related topics from beginner to professional and dance teaching qualifications. Développé devant. A retire up and under the knee out pointing the toe. Extend the foot, remembering to lift the knee a little higher as it will naturally go down. Turn the knee and hip out. Point the toe and close. Développé meaning to develop or unfold. Frappes, to strike or to hit. Place the foot calf height. The toe is not pointed. Press the knee well back. Strike the foot out to the side into a sharp tendu. Place the foot behind, bending the knee. Again, the foot is not pointed. Strike out and place back to the start position. Out, behind, out, back. You will hear the strike sound on the floor. Double time. Out, back, out, front, out, back, out, front. Sur-le-cou-pied, on the neck of the foot. Place your foot back in the strike position. Little flip back of the heel and in front. Beat, 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 beat. These can also be done with tendus. Beat, beat, out, beat, beat, front. Beat, beat, out, beat, beat, front. Front, back, out, back, front, out. Front, back, out, back, front, out. Battu, beaten. Any beaten step, such as Entrechat, where you would beat the feet before changing the feet over. Example, jump, beat in the air, change feet. 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 En cloche, bell-like preparation for grand allegro. A swinging of the leg. I'll show you low so you can look at the foot, but these can be done 90 degree or higher depending on your level. Dégagez behind, push through first, keep the foot turned out through the tendu, lift. Down, push through first, trying to make the little toes go back first, and lift. This can be done in 2-4. 1, 2, 1, 2. And it's often done with holds at the end, again 90 degrees or higher, and then you could, on the hold, if you want to, rise and balance, making an arabesque line. Fouette, to whip. Any whipping action, such as taking the foot forward, up, whip, out, whip, out, whip, out. Can be done en dehors or en dedans, inwards or outwards, either way is fine.